Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle on a Chevy Equinox. First, you'll want to gather all your necessary tools. This includes a good set of screwdrivers, some trim removal tools, and of course, your new door handle. Make sure you have the correct part for your specific vehicle model. Also, set up a clean and organized workspace to make the process smoother and prevent losing any small parts. Next, we'll focus on removing the old door handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tools to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the panel is off, you'll see the handle's internal mechanisms. Carefully disconnect the linkage rods and any electrical wiring attached to the handle. Finally, unscrew the mounting bolts, typically 2 or 3, that secure the handle in place. Now it's time to install your new door handle. Carefully position the new handle into its opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Once the handle is bolted in, reconnect the linkage rods and all electrical connectors. Before putting the door panel back on, take a moment to test the new handle. Make sure it opens and closes the door smoothly from both the inside and outside. For our final steps, we'll reassemble the door and perform a thorough check. Carefully align the interior door panel and snap it back into place, ensuring all clips are secure. Once the panel is fully reattached, test the door's operation again. Open and close it several times from both the interior and exterior. Also, confirm that your power windows and door locks are working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.